you were a perfect candidate for
75-year-old Susan Cusack is a champion on the pickleball court. But one day in 2018,
the ball came across the net. It was a very low shot. I went to go return it, and I heard a very loud crunch in my right knee.
her arthritic knee had given out and needed to be replaced.
When I went back to pickleball about 8 or 9 weeks after surgery, I could jump, I could run on the courts.
But then, just 2 years later, Susan dove for another low shot, and
this time the loud crunch was in my left knee. So I thought, this is familiar to me.
this was what was causing that crunching, where you're bone on bone.
this time Dr. Henry Finn offered Susan a new approach. It put robotic technology in the palm of his hand.
We believe that by using this device, there is improved sizing and placement of the components, which is more accurate than traditional techniques.
Dr. Finn used the Cori surgical system, or core of real intelligence.
The computer directs a handheld cutting tool that is used to accurately remove and shape the ends of the bones during the knee replacement surgery,
resulting in better balance and stability, meaning Susan can dominate on the courts for many years to come.
I just want to be able to do, selfishly, whatever I want to do.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.